everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Holler's Garage. As you know, I'm Bo. And as you can tell, it's something a little different today. I'm driving. Just left Johnson City, Tennessee up at the landfill. Dropped off a Cat D6 high track LGP, which is low ground pressure, garbage dozer, pusher dozer. Dropped it off up there, and while I was unloading, I was like, hey, people might want to see this. So I set up a GoPro and filmed a little unload video. So hope you guys enjoy. Got 8 hours on it. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that little snippet of a video there. Thought you might enjoy a little short video of me unload that thing. But I'm gonna head back to Chattanooga now, and make the drive back. It's, I don't know, probably 3 hours or so back. I'm up in Johnson City. It's about, I don't know, 220 miles back. About 4 hours back, I guess, something like that. So we'll see you guys next time. If you don't mind, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. It really does help the channel. I've never really given out my likes or anything, comments. I've always been kind of stingy with them, but now that I've got a channel, I really understand how much that helps. So if you guys don't mind, yeah, like, subscribe if you if you enjoy this kind of content and want to see it again. Yeah. Love you guys. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Find somewhere to go to church this week. Bye.